Hi, good morning everybody. Welcome to our science class. In the previous class, we completed lesson 4 and today we will discuss its exercise. Okay, all of you take your textbook, page number 41. Self check question is there. Select the odd one out given reason that you can do yourself. Just I will say once. Okay. Frosted glass, leaf, butter paper, plastic bag. Here, odd one is leaf, frosted glass, butter paper, and a plastic bag. This is all man-made. Okay, and the leaf is natural. Just circle leaf and reason is natural. That one natural. Second one, oil, nitrogen, oxygen, and sawdust. Sawdust. Okay, here oil is the odd one. Oil is liquid. Okay, other all solid things. Sorry, gas or dust form. Okay, nitrogen, oxygen, this is all gas, and sawdust, that also just like gas only, or powder only. This oil liquid form is one only, oil only. Okay, odd one. Next one, third one, wood, coal, plastic, and gold. Here gold is a metal, and wood, coal, plastic, these all are not metal. Okay, and fourth one, book, ring, glycerin, wall. Here glycerin is a liquid, and a book, ring, and a wall, that's a solid form only. Next one, feather, key, leaf, and oil. Here feather, key, leaf, oil. Here oil, we can circle like oil is a liquid, and key also can say okay, key is made by metal. So key also can, but oil is more suitable. Okay, oil all of you around. Okay, oil. Okay, now come to the tick the correct option. Paper can be used to make bag, chair, umbrella, all of these. Bag is the answer. Option A, bag. Second one, wooden objects are option A, conductors, B, soluble, transparent, and opaque. Last one, opaque is the answer there. Okay, D, opaque. Which of the following is immiscible in water? Which one is not mixing in water? Okay, common salt, cooking oil, sugar, all of these. Okay, cooking oil can't mix with water, no, immiscible. Okay, which of the following substance floats on the water? Which one float on the water? पानी के ऊपर रहता है. Which one? Iron key, if you put in the water, it will sink in the water. Okay, पानी के नीचे जाता है. Iron nail also like that. Plastic toy, it will float on the water, no? Yes, plastic toy is the answer. Okay, steel spoon also will sink in the water. Answer option C, plastic toy. Okay, fifth one, which of the following is not soft to touch? Which one is not soft to touch? Stone, feather, wool, cotton. Feather, wool, and cotton all are very soft. Here answer is stone. Okay, next one, fill in the blanks. Materials that shine are called lustrous. Answer is lustrous. Lustrous, lustrous. Second one, dash have neither definite shapes nor definite volume. Gases. 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 Number 3, materials can be classified as dash and dash on the basis of their texture. Materials can be classified as rough and smooth on the basis of their texture. Number 4, substances which are dash than water can float on water. Light, Lightr, light. Dash is the hardest substance. Diamond is the hardest substance. diamond, diamond. Next one, write true or false. Gases have definite shapes. No, gases do not have definite shape. No, so this first one is false. Second one, oxygen is slightly soluble in water. Yes, oxygen is slightly soluble in water. Yes, no, true. Inso, Insulators are good conductors of heat and electricity. Insulators are not good conductors. Okay, so false only. False. Third one is false. Aluminium is a magnetic substance. That also false. Aluminium is not a magnetic substance. Iron only. Okay. A paper boat will sink in water. It's completely wrong. Okay. If a paper boat will float on the water, no. Huh? Paper boat will sink in the water. That is false. Next, match the following. Plastic. Option D, buckets. Number 2, luster. Option E, shiny. Shiny. Number 3, sandpaper. A, rough. Sandpaper A, rough. Number 4, salt. Option B, soluble. Number 5, butter paper. Option C, translucence. Option C, translucence. Next, write the one word answer. Substances which are attracted towards magnets. Substances attracted towards magnets are called magnetic substances. Magnetic substances. Materials that allow the light to pass through them. Materials that allow the light to pass through them. Transparent materials. That is what a transparent materials. Light pass होता है वो material को transparent material बोलते हैं. Next one, materials that do not conduct electricity. Materials that do not conduct electricity. Insulators. Insulator will not pass electricity. Okay, that one insulator. Materials that have shiny surface, lustrous. Lustrous, lustrous. Liquids that are insoluble in water. Liquids that are insoluble in water. Immiscible liquids. Immiscible liquids. Okay, next one, define the following terms. Definition you have to write. Okay, first one, classification. First one, classification. What do you mean by classification? The systematic arrangement of things on the basis of certain similarities and differences is called classification. Very carefully write it. Okay. Next one, matter. Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. What is matter? Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Next one, density. Density means the mass per unit volume of a substance is called its density. Next one, magnetism. Materials that are attracted towards a magnet are called magnetic substance. This property is called magnetism. Okay, now definition also completed. The next short answer type question and long answer type question I will send you. You write it. Okay, next class we will discuss it. Okay. And now these definition, 4 definitions are there. These all write in your textbook and match the following one word, fill in the blanks, everything write in your textbook. That's enough. Okay, and only definition you have to write in your fair copy. Very carefully write in your fair copy. Okay, and study also. Okay, today this enough. Okay, then bye.